prepare now guys ha. For kopi ha. 25% ng tip. Tayong order ngayon. Pini yan guys ha. Chili paste. Yan guys, paksak. Guys, lagyan na natin siya ng sauce. Sarap. Try yan guys ha. Try arabiatas. Try fettuccine guys ha. Yan. Sugar ha. Ito yung vegetable for stick. Chicken stick guys ha. Yan. Ready na siya. Yan guys, may buffet tayo guys. Chicken stock guys ha, for pine arrabbiata. Mushroom, three fettuccine guys ha, I make three fettuccine. Yan guys ha, chicken stock guys ha, same. Rice chicken ha. Yan, three fettuccine guys. White wine. Guys ha. Ayan guys ha, white sauce. 3 fettuccine. Yan guys ha. Ayan natin ang white sauce. Yan. Wala ko section guys ha. Yan. Yan yung ating white sauce ha. Ayan ating 4 stick. Stick chicken ha. Yan. 3 stick chicken. Olive oil. Olive oil guys ha. Guys, I put now ha. I arrange because I pre-order. 1, 2, 3. For order now guys. Yan. Prepare lang natin siya kasi nga may lalabas na po. Yan o. So yan guys ha. Turn around na natin yung guys. Ready ko siya guys. Yan, ito tagin guys ha. 6 order guys ha. Order yan ating ano na yan, kaya kailangan natin tutuin na maayos. Ayan guys, ready na yung ating cold section ha. Ready na yung cold section guys ha. Cold section is ready. Yan, ating chicken stick guys ha. Yan guys, ilagyan natin dito sa kabilang kasi itong malaki, pag-iisahin ko na siya guys para masalakan pa uli ng isang order yan. Yan. Yan na guys ha. Yan yung ating side order na ito ay na hindi nga. Tapos guys, parsley guys ha. Parsley, marami yan guys ha. Parsley ha. Konting mix lang, lalagyan natin siya ng sauce. Yan. Ayan guys, yung ating lemon sauce ha. Lagyan natin siya ng mga dalawang ano. Ayan, lemon sauce natin. Lagyan na siya natin na sauce. Ayan na guys ha. Ayan na guys yung ating
lemon chicken.
Lemon chicken. Pwede na lang natin siya guys.
Riksha, what is this?
Ayan guys, mix lang natin siya. Hanggang sa mag-boil din siya. Ready na yan guys. Masarap ito guys, fast moving ito sa aming restaurant. Lemonade chicken. Tataki ba? Doon, cheese.
This is my friend.
Yan,
One spoon, one spoon.
Sawa-sawa na siya ata. Plating na siya maya-maya guys. Okay na yung kanyang sauce. Sauce niya is good now guys. Yan. Ito chini sauce guys ha. Ready na rin yung guys. Ilalagay ko na yung pasta mamaya ha. Ayan na guys ha. Ready na yung ating salad ha. Tabula. Patos guys ha. Tabula patos. Ready na yung ating lemonade chicken guys ha. Yan. Piplating ko na lang maya maya yan guys ha. Ready na siya ha. Plating na yan maya maya. Mapigir-gir katil. Yan guys ha. Prepare muna tayo. Ayan na guys ha. Yung ating buffet.
Gali malo?
Ha? Yala po, kulo po.
Leave this one, leave.
No problem. Puta lagi, give. Ready ha. Kuman. 6 order guys, is ready again. Guys ha. Wow. Rice ready. Ayan, rice. Ready na ha. Wow, ang dami namin guys oh. Wow, ready. Itong pututunin natin. Ready pututunin guys. Ayan na guys yung ating mga pasta.
Guys, wala saba? Sabi saba? Saba?
Ayan na guys ha, pasta natin. Ayan guys, cheese ha. Yung tatlo din yan guys ha. May cheese na rin siya guys ha. Ayan, ready. Finish na guys ha. May busy. Pinara na videohan ko yung hindi na yung iba. Guys, bye bye.